Hello everyone, I am Arnav Deshpande back with another video. And in this video, we are going to know how we can use our phone camera, either front or back, as a webcam for our PC. And the main thing is you can use it for Zoom also. So let us start our video without any delay. Before starting this video, I'd like to say you that please like to my video, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for my new videos. And also don't forget to see this video till the end. Now I am showing you how can you install this Iriun software, or the software which we are using for webcam casting. I am showing you that how to install it in PC. So just go to Google and type an URL as iriun.com. Okay. So then directly their website opens, or you can simply press the link given in the description by me and install this software. Now here are three options for various operating systems: one for webcam Windows, one for Mac, one for Ubuntu. So now it is my Windows PC, so I am installing Windows, and I have already installed it in my system or computer, but I'll show you it for second time. Run. I accept the agreement, next, and then install and preparing install. Okay, it is extracting file, finishing installation, and then finish. Okay, now it is installed in my PC, and you can see this after installation directly this page opens. Currently I am showing you how to install this Iriun Webcam services or software in your phone. You can directly press the link and install it, but now I'll show you how to install it from Play Store. Go to Play Store, just search for Iriun Webcam, and the first result, Iriun 4K webcam for PC and Mac. This you can install and open. Okay, I have already installed it, so there is no delay. And the best thing, you know what is about this one, it does not take much space, and you can even use it for Zoom meetings also, Zoom meetings in PC. So this is a good thing about this, actually the best thing about this. So after installing this, open this Iriun Webcam services and press this do not show again button, and then continue. Firstly, let us see some settings, allow all the permissions, and now let us see some settings of this Iriun Webcam. Here are various settings. As orientation, you can select portrait or landscape, that is horizontal or vertical, and whether to select back camera or front camera, and autofocus, this must be on because this is a good setting. And then dim screen automatically, this is also an option to save your charging. And these are all the settings which you can adjust, and you can even go to the pro version if you want to unlock more features. But the thing you must remember is your phone and phone and PC should be connected to the same network, that is same Wi-Fi network, and ensure that this Iriun Webcam services is running on your mobile phone, or else this will not run. And now let us start without any delay. I'll show you the trial version. Yeah, so now I will take you to my PC and show you how this is being. See, in my PC, when I opened this Iriun Webcam services, as I am pointing to the computer, as I'm pointing to the computer, you can see in the PC also it is being pointed to the computer. So now you can use it in Zoom meetings also. I will show you that also. When I firstly open Zoom, you can even minimize it after showing that. You press on new meeting and then you see here your video, it is being, your video is looking, yeah. This many images are formed because I am pointing on the PC in which my Iriun Webcam services is running. So this will not be this miscellaneous or annoying thing won't be there if directly you point to your face cam. Okay, now you can see that this Iriun webcam is running on the PC and successfully running on the PC. ये भी बात है कि क्वालिटी अच्छी नहीं है, मगर आपका अगर अच्छा कैमरा होगा तो क्वालिटी मस्त आएगी. You can use your phone as webcam in this way. Okay then, thank you and bye.